Include counterpoints as a public speaker. Always include the counterpoints in your speech, especially during the Q&A with the audience. This builds your credibility. So let's see what is counterpoints, okay? For example, if you're talking about the negative impact of the celebrities which they make in India, okay? Suppose the audience is thinking different. You came to know about it while you asked them a question, and suppose you find out that the audience is thinking opposite, and they are thinking that they are talking about the positive impact of the celebrities. You found out that the audience is thinking about the positive impact which the celebrities have made in the society. So what do you do now? It's always good to talk for them rather than against them. Always be with them even if it negates your idea which you started off initially, okay? So remember, audience is the king. Always go with their opinions and support their opinions. Remember one thing, as a speaker, it takes your entire life to build reputation, but it takes just a few seconds to break the reputation. Stay tuned for the next video.